This faceless YouTube channel is making $30,000 every month with extremely simple YouTube shorts. In fact, I created 300 of the same YouTube shorts in just...
In this video, I'm going to show you how to create 50 shorts within 5 minutes that you can use to upload to your faceless YouTube channel, and you can be able to monetize those shorts. So I'm going to walk you through the step by step on how to create 50 shorts within 5 minutes without you ever showing your face on those short videos, and you can upload it to your faceless YouTube channel and you can be able to monetize it. So before we dive in, if you are seeing my video for the first time, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. Also make sure that you like and drop a comment in this video. So to create your YouTube short video, we are going to use two steps. Now the first step is we are going to generate the script that we are going to use for the video. So we are going to use ChatGPT to generate our script. Then the second step, we are going to use Canva to create our YouTube shorts. So let's go into ChatGPT to create our script. So I'm going to type in a prompt. So I already have the prompt. So I'm going to paste the prompt, but I'm going to paste the prompt on the Telegram channel. So you can click on the description of this video. You're going to take you to my Telegram. Then you can have access to this screen. I'm going to drop the prompt on my Telegram channel. So I've input the prompt on the ChatGPT. So it's generating the script for me. Alright, so it has finished generating the script. So you can see that the script is divided into 3 different parts. So I have the topic, which is the title, then the part 1 and part 2. So I'm going to show you how you can make use of them. So the first thing, we are going to copy the script. So we're going to copy the script. Then we are going to go to the next part of this video, which is your Canva. So you go to your Google Chrome, then you type in Canva. So open your Canva on your laptop. So once you open your Canva, then on the search bar, you are going to type YouTube short videos. So type YouTube short video. Is going to bring different YouTube short videos. So you just need to scroll to select the one that you want to use. So I'm just going to scroll to select the one I like. So I want to use this one. So I will click on it. Then I will click on customize. So it will bring me to this interface. So the first thing I want to do is I will delete some of these tests that are already on the template, because I don't want to make use of them. So I'm going to remove all of these tests. Then I will input my own write-up on it. So I will go and drag the first write-up, which is the title. So I will write in title. Then I will click on color to change it to color. So I'm going to use white so that it will match with the background of the video. I will see drag it up a little bit. Then I will input the second write-up, because it's divided into 3 parts. So I'm going to be using 3 different tests for this video. So on this first part, I'll write part 1. Then I will still go and change the color. Then I will drag another text. Then I will change this one to part 2. Then I will change the color. So I will change the color to white. Then I will still drag to adjust all of the different tests to fit into different position. Then I will duplicate the topic and bring the second one to the down side. So I'm going to be using that as my channel name. So what I will do is that I'm going to reduce the transparency to make it very faint, so that it will be as a watermark on the video, so that people will not just download my videos and they upload it again. Alright, so once I'm done, I'll click on the first one, the topic, then I'll click on effects. So I want to add some effects to the topic so that it will look very good when it will show on the screen. So you can choose any color. So I will click on it again after adding the effect, then I will click on show time so that I will set it to the time I want it to show. So I will drag this first part to where I want it to start playing from, then I'll also drag it where it will stop playing. Then I will click on animation, then I'm going to select an animation that will make it to look nice. So I'm going to use typewriting. So I will select, after that I will select the part 1. I will right click it, then I will go to show timing. So I will click it, then I will also position this one where I want it to start playing from in the video. And where it will stop playing. So this one will be smaller than the first one, than the title. Then after that I will go to the part 2, then I will also change the timing. So the part 2 I will screw it immediately after the part 1, then the part 2 will start playing. Then I will go to the watermark, then I will also set it. So I'm going to change the animation to typewriting for all of them. So once I'm done, then I will click on elements, then I will type YouTube logo. So I want to add a subscribe button to the video, so that once you play to an extent, it will show on subscribe, so that people will subscribe to the channel. So I will adjust it to where I want it to be. So once I'm done, then I will right click it, then I will also set the timing where I want it to start playing from. So I will adjust it to the position where the subscribe button will pump up once it plays to that place. So So once I'm done, then the next step is to input my script. So to do that, I will click on apps, then I will, on the search bar, I will type bulk create. So I'll type bulk create. Once I type that, will bring the bulk create icon. So I will click on bulk create, the bulk create icon. Then I will click on enter data manually. So it will bring you to this interface. So you are going to input the script that you generated in your ChatGPT. So you are going to paste the script into this column. So you click on the first column, then you paste the script. So you can see that it's showing three different columns, which is on the title, the part 1, and then the part 2. So once you do that, then you click on done. So you come back to your video, you click on the title, which is the topic. Once you right click it, then you click on connect data for you to connect your script to the title in the video. Then you click on the part 1, you right click it, then you also go to connect data. So you connect it to part 1 of the script you generated from ChatGPT. Then you click on the part 2, then you also right click it, then you go to connect data, then you connect it to part 2 of the script you generated. So once you are done, then you come to this other part, then you click on connect. So we click on connect again, then you click on generate 49 design. So we are generating 49 different video. Alright, so you can see that it has generated about 49 videos. So just within just 1 minute, you can generate as many videos as you want. So you can scroll to check all the different videos. So this is how to create multiple short video within a minute. So to download your design, click on share. Then click on download. Then you click on, make sure you mark download pages as separate files, because if you don't click on this one, all of them will download. The 49 different video will download as one. So you need to download them as separate files so that there will be difference. Alright, so this is how to create your multiple faceless YouTube video within just a minute. So if you got value from this video, make sure you subscribe to this video and drop your comment in the comment section. I will see you in my other videos.